little pet lovers! Today we're going to sing the ABCs with real animals you can have at home. Listen closely, and when you hear your favorite pet, give a little clap or bark or meow. Ready? Let's begin from A all the way to Z. A is for Axolotl, smiling face. B is for bunny, hopping in place. C is for cat, soft and sweet play. D is for dog, wagging his feet, hey. E is for eel, swimming along. F is for ferret, curious and strong. G is for guinea pig, squeaky cheery. H is for hamster, spinning near we. I is for iguana, green and cool. Do. J is for Jack Russell, clever at school. K is for koi fish, swimming slow. L is for lovebird, singing low. M is for mouse, tiny and shy. N is for newt, swimming by we. O is for Oscar fish, colors that shine. P is for parrot, talking fine. Q is for quail, soft and round. R is for rabbit, hops abound. S is for snake, calm and neat. T is for turtle, slow little feet. U is for umbrella, cockatoo, white and sweet. V is for vet's friend, helping to treat. W is for water snail, tiny and small. X is for colo dog, hairless and tall. Y is for yellow canary, singing a song. Pets are friends from A to Z, they bring us love and company. Big or small, with tails or wings, we love our pets, they make us sing. Sing me a, sing me a, sing me a. Wow, you did it! All the pets from A to Z. Which one is your favorite? Maybe your cat or your hamster? Give them a big cuddle and tell them you're my best friend. See you next time, little animal lovers. Alright.